How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another brand new video and welcome back to another match report between Arsenal versus Chelsea. Yesterday was a beautiful day, wasn't it? We won 2-0 as we predicted that we would smash Arsenal so easily, and we did so. And who came on top? Our main man, Romelu Lukaku, who's back at the Blues. And right now, we are cruising because we finally have a number 9 at our club who can definitely finish. And right now, last time we saw that it was a Lukaku show. Lukaku did very well, brilliant hold-up plays throughout the whole game, linked up well a lot with Havertz and Mount as we predicted the lineup as well in the last video. So it was all guns on top and we were definitely firing on cylinders. It was a slow start initially, 5 to 6 minutes, but the tempo of the match changed very quickly and we took the momentum on our side. And of course, we took the 2-0 lead in the first half only from Lukaku, the man himself, and then Reece James, which I think was brilliant throughout the whole game. And man, what a way, I must say. I'll show you something. Reece James, this is for you, bro. The man pointed at the badge in front of the whole Arsenal packed crowd stadium and pointed at the badge and just taunted them. So that was amazing in my opinion. And right now, I just want to say that, like I said in my last video, Reece James linked up with Lukaku so well because now we have a proper number 9 in the center. So Reece James will be so crucial for us in the going forward cases. And you know, the crosses inside the box for Lukaku, he'll be chasing, man. He'll be buzzing to get on the crosses at the end and definitely scoring a lot more goals. So that lineup will definitely exist a lot when Reece James and Lukaku are playing together. Because Callum used to play, Callum has pace. I know Callum can drive forward and get on the man easily. But Reece James' delivery is exceptional. So I think right wing back spot is now sealed for Reece James for a long time to come. Because if there is a concern for pace, then we can have an option of Aspi and Reece James switching their positions, centre back and the right wing back. But we'll see. But for now, we are on cloud 9. Arsenal are absolutely in the mud. And you'll love to see that Arteta manager is in the mud. And there is a lot of pressure on him because they play Man City next. But why do we care if they get smashed 5-0, 7-0, whatever happens, man. It's Chelsea right now and they are cruising. So a big up for this team, a big up for our coach for the tactics and of course his starting 11 position and the selection. I was a big fan of it. I really like the way that he emphasized that Lukaku is a guy that will definitely start. And we didn't just pay the money so much for a striker for him to be on the bench. That is why he's up top and he's going to start. And was brilliant to see Havertz and Mount playing. Of course, one interesting thing I saw was Mount playing on the right side and Havertz on the left side. I think it was solely because I saw one aspect of the game last night. Havertz did cross a lot of diagonal balls towards Reece James when he was making the runs on the right side. So that was a very crucial thing. And the another thing was he put Mount on the right side because I think solely because they are wanting guys from the right side with his preferred right foot to put in the crosses for Lukaku so that Lukaku can get as many chances as they want because Chelsea is a team that creates a lot of chances and we just have to finish them. And now that we have a finisher in the form of Lukaku, we can actually get past a lot of teams. And you know, last night was no lesser than a statement that Chelsea are fearless and the momentum is so strong that we can match any side in the Premier League and beat in the Europe. Also, we hope to get a lot of trophies this season again. And I'm backing my team, man, to definitely get a lot of trophies. And I'm also sure that all the Blue fans will also back the team. So keep the blue flag flying high and up the Chelsea. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.